Today, it's 1 year ago the war started in Ukraine. Yes, it's a sad news. 1 year long the war started in Ukraine. Yes, and it's still being going on. Yes, the war. When will it stop? When will it stop? Anyway, it's today, Friday, February the 24th, 2023. We have here in this daily newspaper two regular puzzles, the Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. We have also an additional, people, we have an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. We have here the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cyber block. In Japanese Suguru. In English tectonic, yeah. And the last one is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. Why? Well, I don't have a lot of time for solving all the puzzles. Too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. If the publisher will pay me, well, I will solve those puzzles, all those puzzles, but right now I'm doing for fun. Alright, let's keep it this way. This one will be number 6014. Alright, 6014. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this Sudoku Light has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the Sudokus in the additional, with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, it will be a 1 star, and for 1 star I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, we will see if this is really a 1 star, so let's get started. Well, 2 minutes already passed. Let me see. How about yeah. Come on. 3, 6, 6. Yeah. 4, 4. Okay. I'm still 5, 4. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, yeah. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in the second row, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. Well, I think the 4 should be here because we have a 4 in this big square. So no 4 in these 2 boxes, so the 4 could be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, so no 4 there, so the 4 should be here. Okay. So the 4 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here, 4 in this row, so no 4 in that box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in this row. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Oh, wait. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Okay. 1, okay. Let me see. 5. Okay. Which number can I pick? 6. 3. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. No. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in last row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in this box. Here can be 3 because we have 3 in this column, so no 3 there. Here can be 3 because we have 3 in this column, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 in the last row should be there. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So first column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Alright. 6. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in this column, so no 2 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. So the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Alright, so we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6 in the middle row, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Show me there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. On that column, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Then the 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. Yeah. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row. Second row, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 could be here, or there in this big square. We see another 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. Third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, okay. 9. 9. Need to wait for the 9. Need more information here. 8, 2, 7. Yeah. Only 1 7 here. 2 7 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. Here 1 in this column. No 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the 3rd row. 1 in the 1st row. So the row between the 2nd row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1. Okay. Cannot continue with the 1. Not true, not true. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the 1st column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 1. Need to wait. Then 2, 7 and 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in the 2nd row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the 3rd row, 6 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 and 6, we have a 6 now in the 2nd column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there, and all the 6's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. Alright. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this. Oh, wait. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in the 2nd column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square. For the number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 number left in the 1st column for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in the 3rd row, 7 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 5 and 8. Okay, 8 and 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in the 3rd row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the 3rd row. So the row between 2nd row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the last row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used. I can see digit number for number 5. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 8 goes there. Let me see. Well. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. And I've eliminated the 9 here. So I've eliminated the 9 here, so the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1 here, so the 1 goes there. Alright, then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. Oh, wait. Yeah, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. The 1 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finishes 16 minutes. Minus 2 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes. Faster than 15 minutes. Correct. And I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle. Sudoku heavy. How heavy? We don't know. We will see. Until then, bye-bye for now.